Hello, this is Vance, and this is Tuesday, January the 3rd, 2017. These are the CL trades for today using the Sloan method for price action. Into this trade long here. Price has been trading down all day. It gets to this bottom here, and I think that we're going to be trading up. I think this is really a reversal. See this reversal pattern here. And so I got in at 47, 52.47. Stop is below these two swings here, these areas right here. And now I hit 13 ticks. So I'm going to move my stop to break even. See if my first contract comes off. This is really, oh, there we go. There's the first contract. Didn't expect that to happen that quick. Okay, now we're on a run here. And down to 2 contracts. Next contract off. Now, whether or not it gets past this area, you know, it might be some resistance, might have some failure, because we know we look at the top. And if you look at right across this area, you know, we're looking at resistance right across here. Could be. I mean, this is where the previous highs are. And so you can see this hesitation. Will price come back down to this area, 42? You know, a lot of breakouts will fail. Most of them will fail. But we've already had this tested the first time, kind of tested the second time, third time. This is a fourth test. At some point in time, it's got to come back. And with this kind of run down this area, the next area of resistance is probably going to be somewhere in this neighborhood where the other 2 contracts are off. So I think it's reasonable from that standpoint just to stay where we are as far as that trade is concerned, or stay where I am as far as this trade is concerned. So I'm going to stay with it and see how it plays out. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm still in this trade. Looking at it from now, been in it for it's just over 11 minutes. I didn't start it right away, so just recording it. Just over 11 minutes. Time is, let me give you the time here. It is 1:38 p.m., so we're about 40 minutes from the close, roughly. Right now, what we see here is that what I see is that we've had this strong move up here from really the bottom of the channel. And if you look at where I see where support is, support is under here. You can see there's really price tested down here, double bottom here, double bottom here. You know, this is first double bottom, say triple bottom. Actually, this is a double bottom, like a micro double bottom. Price goes down, comes back up, goes down, comes back up. Here we've had tests down here, rejection down here, and we're at the top of this range. Now this is a second entry long off of here. We see rejection down here, and so this is a breakout area. Now if we take back where this first move down came down to here, then we will retrace back to the second target. Now, if price gets to this target right here for my second target, I'll probably close up the stop, 1 tick, and I'll just extend this right here, because right now we've been moving down. We've been moving down the entire day. Okay, you've got sellers all through this area, like from here, especially from here, that drive price down to here, and then sellers breaks through this area, you know, where we had previous support. Breaks down, you got sellers all here that have stops, comes back down here. Now we have buying interest stepping in at this price, right at the low of the day at 52.22. So 52.22, it picks up, pulls back to this area, double tops, really double top here and here, pulls back down, attempts to go up. Now this is back over an hour ago, almost an hour ago, 12:07. So over an hour and a half ago, this is where this occurred. And then we get in this tight range. And as I've mentioned many times in the past, when you're in a tight range, prices can do one of 2 things. They're going to go down further, or they can go up. You know, I mean, where is it going to go? Now, it can continue to go sideways until the end of close, but given that we've had a strong move down, we've got some perhaps exhaustion or capitulation at this area. Where's the likelihood this is going to go? Having your 15-tick stop below this area and below this area, considering that price couldn't stay down here. I mean, this was a really rapid turnaround. This was 12:07. This is 12:09. Price, when it dipped down here, came up immediately. It's been kind of slowly, can't move down any further than this, and that's why I took this trade here, because we see that we've had 3 areas where prices attempted to go down and cannot, and so this is the only way you can take a look at maybe a reversal or a counter trend trade, if that's what you call. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now. I'm hoping that's a bit of a bear trap there, and that price will kind of spring out. If we can get above this and hold above 52.59, which is gets above where my first target was. Let's call it 57. If we can get above there and hold, it should take out these two targets. But it has to get above that area. It really does. It's pretty narrow, so it really needs to get. Well, the previous double top, you have to call it at 58. Okay, it took out my stop, and so I only got the first contract off. It poked its way up here to 67. It fell short of my second contract, but that's it. Just didn't have enough momentum to do so. So it's 10 minutes, 20 minutes after. It just didn't work out that way. Had a pretty strong selling pressure through these bunch of bars right here. So wait and see. I don't think there's going to be anything else for the rest of today, but I'll sit and keep an eye on it till the end of the day. Do a update later on. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.